In this video, I'll show you how to use the results of a survey query to build a surface in an AutoCAD Civil 3D drawing. The survey points and figures that are found in a survey query can be added to a surface definition either as static drawing objects or as a dynamic reference to the survey database. In this video, I'll demonstrate both methods. First, I need to open the survey database that contains the queries that I want to use to build the surface. Before I create the surface, I'll confirm that the query results are what I expect. I'll open the Survey Query ribbon tab, select the query, and then click Preview in Drawing. Preview graphics of the survey points and figures that are included in the query are shown in the drawing. I can also click Display in Editor to review the survey point and figure parameters. After I've verified the survey points and figures, I'll close the panorama window and dismiss the preview graphics. Now I'll click Add to Surface. There are no surfaces in this drawing, so I'll create one. I'll name the surface, select a style, and click OK. Survey query results can be added to the surface in either of two ways. You can also specify which of the survey queries in the current survey database are added to the surface. I'm going to add this query as static point groups and figures. The surface is created, and the survey query data is added to the surface definition. The survey figures were added as a breakline set. The survey points were added to the point groups collections in both the surface definition and in the top-level drawing point groups collection. Now, I'll change the query to remove all the figures. I'll refresh the surface, and I see that it is not out of date. Because I inserted query results as point groups and figures, changes to the survey database are not carried over to the surface. Now I'll add the results of another query to the surface. I'll add the results of this query as a reference to the survey database. When I click OK, the data is added to the surface. The surface definition lists references to the point and figure query results in the survey database. Let's see what happens when I modify this survey query in the survey database. I'll change the query to include all points in the survey database. When I refresh the surface, I see that it is out of date. I'll rebuild the surface, and the changes are applied. Adding query results as a reference to the survey database ensures that changes to the survey data are carried over to a Civil 3D surface. Survey queries are a flexible way to build a surface from information in a survey database.